Winter is coming and Christmas is also coming, so I thought I would make these beautiful hats along with a scarf. I'll put a link in the description box below so you could see that one. So I really like this kind of hat for adult and for a toddler. So I'm making this for toddler size, and as you can see I make it a little bit bigger, but it fits to toddler size. In this project, I'm going to use this yarn and I'm going to use 3.5mm hook. I will place in the description box below about the description of this yarn that I am using. I use this yarn for the fox scarf project and I'm going to use the same yarn for the hat. So basically you can use whatever yarn you have, and I will show you how to adjust the size for this yarn. I'm gonna make for the toddler size, but you can make it as well for any size you like. I'm gonna make a slip knot. If you don't know how to make a slip knot, insert your hook under the yarn, turn it all the way around, grab that yarn and pull through, and pull that hook and that yarn here on the top. Not so loose, not so tight. We're gonna make a chain, 1, 2, 3, chain that reaches all the way to the top of the hat. Make this hat or your hat as your size reference on top of that. And I make it a little bit extra here because later on I'm gonna fold this one. It's perfect for winter, this hat. I'm gonna fold it when it's done. So what I mean is that I can fold it like this later on. So that's why I have an extra of that. So go ahead if you want an extra of this one to fold later when you're done. So this is equal to 11 inches long, toddler size. But depends what is your size. So now go in the second chain from the hook. 1, 2, just go in the second chain from your hook. 1 and then 2, insert, make 1 single crochet. If you don't know single crochet, insert your hook in the second chain from your hook, grab that yarn and pull 2 loops in your hook, grab that yarn and pull through all the loops in your hook. Repeat in the next stitch, insert, grab that yarn and pull, grab that yarn and pull through all. Repeat that until the last stitch. I am here in my last chain, placing my last single crochet, and in round 2 I have a total of 49 stitches in total. So just a repetitive of the stitches, which is a single crochet. Round 3, chain 1, turn, 1 single crochet in the very first stitch, and 1 single crochet per stitches until the last stitch. Making my last single crochet. I'm gonna repeat round 3 until I get enough wideness of the hat that I'm going, and this is from this one until I can make enough roundness like this. I can make all the way rounds of this one. So I'm gonna repeat round 3 until I get enough roundness of this hat. This is my last stitch in this hat, and I have here a total of 80 rows in total from round 1 all the way to 80 rounds, and that is equal to 17 inches wide from round 1 all the way to round 80, equal to 17 inches wide. And our round 1, again, it is chain 50, total of 10 inches long. And now once you're done here, chain 1, pull tight and cut the yarn and secure the remaining stitch after that. And we're gonna fold it in half, and we're simply just gonna connect this part here to make a hat or the beginning of our hat. So to connect that one, I already have here a yarn and a needle. It's up to you how you connect. Insert your needle here in the very corner, and first before we continue, like here. Connect that one. It's up to you how you connect this one, as long as it is nicely connected, like how is I always say.
And sort using basic stitching method, sewing method. So I'm just gonna make it like this.
And pull until everything is nicely close all the way to the other end. Just connect that one and secure the remaining stitch after that. I just keep repeating it until it is nicely secure. And then I'm just gonna hide the rest of that yarn. This is what we connect, and this is on the other side. Super easy, simple and fast using the needle, and it's clean as well. I'll close it here on the top. And as you can see, I make a double yarn here, but it's up to you if you want to do the same. I just thought the single yarn is a little bit too thin, so I thought this time I'm gonna make a double. First, I'm gonna just insert my needle here on the top, and not together actually, so I'm gonna insert my needle here on the top of that. Distance, not so close. Do this until you are done here, and I'm reaching here in the end. Gonna pull it like this. I'm gonna secure the remaining stitches here. So we're basically done with the hat. It's super cute and easy. All the stitches is in the side. It's super nice. So you're gonna do it on the other side, take it on the other side, fold it here and make it even much more warmer. And to make the ears, make a magic circle, insert it here, the hook, and grab that yarn inside that circle like that. Then we're gonna make a chain 1, 3 single crochet in the circle, 1, 2, 3. Pull this one, and I'm using 5.50 millimeter hook. Then chain 1, turn, 2 single crochet in the very first stitch, 1, 2, 1 single crochet per stitches, 1, 2. I have 4 stitches here. Round 3, turn, chain 1, turn, 2 single crochet in the very first stitch, 1 single crochet per stitches until the last stitch. It's like a small triangle. I'm gonna repeat round 3 until round 6. In round 6 I have 8 stitches in total. Chain 1, pull tight and cut the yarn once you're done. Make another one of this for the other ear. Fold it in half and find the middle, so it's gonna be here. And then I'm gonna insert my hook there and make a slip knot and pull. And then just make chain 1, 1 single crochet in the first stitch, or in the same stitch, and make 1 single crochet in a random stitch that you can find. That. So all the way to the other half. I'm gonna pull that one to secure that like that. Very easy. Sometimes I'm inserting the hook in the same stitch because this one here is a bit too far from each other, so I try to make it close to each other, the black part. So once you're done, I'm gonna add one last one. Chain one, pull tight, and cut the yarn. Once you're done, secure the remaining stitch and make another one of this. I'm gonna attach the ears here, good. So I'm gonna make it here. So I'm just gonna attach it using the needle of that. Good. Cut. Super easy. I'm gonna do the same the other side.